I got food on my face.
Okay, this is my final thought. That's all I can say. When the plate is empty, what else?
Hello everyone, my name is Jemima and welcome to I Just Want to Cook. Today I'm going to be making chicken Laska, one of the meals from my HelloFresh box. I've got the menu right in front of me. They sent me everything. I didn't do an unboxing because I actually got too excited, but this is the menu for today. The steps and the ingredients, everything is on this menu card. Not too many things, so the meal should be really easy. First thing says pop the kettle on boil. So I started the kettle now and I'm gonna now move on to chopping the vegetables. I'm just prepping the vegetables now. I like that there's not a lot to do. This is actually not the first meal I've made from the box. Yesterday I made the sesame chicken. It was really nice. Huh?
I'm just saying I didn't get to eat.
Oh yeah, sorry about that. I'm gonna actually remake the sesame chicken this week, I think, because it was really nice and it was so easy to make. In the box they sent me 2 green ones, but I had a red bell pepper at home, so I'm just mixing things up as well. And I think that's what I kind of want to do with these recipes. I will follow them as much as I can, but I still want to, you know, mix it up, add my own flavor, make it taste nice. Okay guys, so I'm just seeing from my ingredients, I actually forgot the coriander leaf at home, the fresh one that the HelloFresh sent me. I don't know if it's going to affect the taste that the ad, but you know, it is what has happened. I'm just going to continue. I'm just going to assess the lime now. These are all the vegetables, not too many things. Like I said, I forgot the coriander, but yeah, it's just some lime and the zest, some garlic, chili, and bell pepper and spring onions. I've got the chicken frying and the sauce simmering on a low temperature. My sister says it smells nice so far. I haven't tasted it. I'm waiting for the sugar, love. Where's the sugar? Alright, cool. It's been 10 minutes for the sauce, so I'm gonna now add the noodles. 4 minutes. Hopefully it should be ready. I'm gonna put the timer now. I think I'm finally done. You add some lime. Squeeze some lime in.
Yummy! Squeeze that lemon.
And so the food is done. Look at that.
I wanna eat.
Alright, just served up me and my sister's plate.
Yes, she did!
I got food on my face.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What does it taste like? Is it
I think I put a lot of lemon for sure. I mean lime, I put a lot of lime for sure. But it's very creamy. It's very good. I like it.
Oh yeah. I can't eat pretty right now. Oh God, there's something that tastes like no. Oh God,
Final thoughts closing before we end this.
Oh, this is my final thought. That's all I can say. When the plate is empty, what else?
Me too. Empty plate. So good. I can't wait for my next HelloFresh box. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're interested to see more I Just Want to Cook videos, because I think that's what the series is going to be called, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. I will be doing some HelloFresh boxes, but I'll also be doing some recipes, some of my sister's recipes, some of my recipes. Just literally cooking and trying to do better with our diet. And bye. See you guys next time.
Bye. Bye.
Oh, wow. You're screaming, Emma.
Sorry.
Bye. See you guys next time.
Sorry, I got excited.